Hello, my beautiful people. Hello. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing mopping a freshener that you'll be using to mop everywhere and it will give you a sweet smell. So, like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you not miss any of my videos. Thank you. Yeah, my beautiful people, as I was saying, we are going to do mopping a freshener, and these are the chemical that I'm using. I'm going to use 5 liters of water. This is my water, 5 liters. Make sure you measure it well. I'm using the 5 meters. Oh, yeah, my beautiful people, in today's video, as I was saying, we are going to make a freshener. I'm going to use 5 liters of water. Make sure you use the liter that measured 5 liters, and this is 5 liters. I measured it very well. Then this is my mentholin. This is my menthol with mixed with perfume that I'm going to use. The perfume that I'm using here is lavender and lemon. Then this is my color. I'm not going to add all the color. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon to add to it. And this is my anti-soap. This is my anti-soap. So what I'm going to do now is to mix them, show you how you mix them quickly, and you have your mopping air freshener. Thank you. So what we will first of all pour our water, 5 liters I told you, into the mixing bowl. Then I will shake the anti-soap very well. Then I will pour it into it. Hope you are seeing. Ooh. Even when I soaked it was not soaked enough. So after adding the anti-soap, I'm going to cover it for 24 hours for it to dissolve. When it is dissolved, before adding the menthanol and the perfume, then my color. So after 24 hours, that's the next day, I'll open it, then add my mentholin and the perfume, then with color. The mopping air freshener is ready. So guys, after 24 hours, that is how it looks like. Let's see. Wow. Everything is dissolved now. So we cut in our menthol The menthol and the color is there. The menthol and the um, perfume is mixed together. So I'm going to pour it inside the mixture now. You stir it very well. And I'm going to add color. I'm going to add the color. Adding 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. Adding the color, I'm going to dissolve it with a little water before pouring it inside the mixture. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of it. I'll stir it very well. So my mopping shampoo mopping air freshener is ready. See you in my next video.